Welcome to WebStylePress. In this video, I will show you how to fix the issue with the Gifs in Discord, where Gifs do not load. I just fixed this issue, and I will show you how can you do that too. So if I select any category, you can see the GIFs are loading for me. Selecting a GIF will insert that into a Discord message. So if GIFs in Discord are not loading for you, here's how you can fix these. From the computer screen, right-click at Wi-Fi icon at bottom right. Select Open Network and Internet Settings. Click Change Adapter Options. Double-click Wi-Fi. Click Properties. Select Internet Protocol version 4, TCP IPv4. Click Properties. And here use this option. Use the following DNS server addresses. Preferred DNS server 8.8.8.8 and alternate DNS server 8.8.4.4. Click the button OK. Similarly, for Internet Protocol version 6, TCP IPv6, select this option, click Properties, and use these values here. I'll mention these values in the video description. Basically, this is Google DNS. After you set these, click OK. But this thing is optional. If you set Google DNS for IPv4, that's all you need. Now your PC will use Google DNS. And after that, come to Discord, press Ctrl+R to reload Discord. Click on GIF icon, select any GIF category, and you will be able to use the GIF. Another thing, this is GIF. If I hover over this GIF, then it plays. If I click at this GIF, then the animation plays. If you want to animate this GIF in a loop without hovering or clicking, then in front of your profile, click Settings icon from the bottom left. From the list at the left, click Accessibility. Scroll down. Make sure Automatically Play GIFs when Discord is focused is checked. Click Escape. And now this GIF is playing in the loop without any interaction. Okay, I hope it helped. Like, share, subscribe, and I will see you in the next one.